Hello everyone, this is Ami Diamond from SharePoint Wizard. Let me show you a new agent, part of the Copilot M365 Copilot. So up until now, Microsoft released the analyst and the researcher, which are very impactful and useful. There's a new agent called Microsoft Forms, and you can create surveys. So to create it, I'll go to All Agents, and under Built by Microsoft, in addition to researcher and analyst, and we all have also these prompt coach, career coach, idea coach, and writing coach, and learning coach, we have the survey frontier. So we will click here and we will click on add. It would add it to the menu on the left, and what we can do is just to pin it, and now it's here forever. And now we have the agent. We have the area where we can put a prompt. Below we have some recommended prompts, like creating a customer feedback or employee satisfaction or analyzing the latest surveys. So, and in addition, we can upload some document that has the information if we already prepared it. So what we can do, let's take for instance the employee satisfaction survey, and it says help me create an employee satisfaction survey to evaluate the team's culture and morale. Please include our overall rating and other things. I will also add some personal info like first name and last name and email. So once we're happy, we can click the play button, and now it should create a draft survey. I can review it and then I can decide what to do. So let's see. It says here's a draft satisfaction, and it gives what it includes, and it even gives me what to do next. And by the way, I have here some gallery prompts for the survey frontier, to create a custom feedback, to analyze my latest surveys. So this will be part of it. In addition, I can also edit the survey and add questions, and even change the survey's theme. So let's first see what we see. So if I click here on the arrow, it opens up the form. I can look at it. I can change things. As you can see, it's not currently in the forms interface. It's like in the iframe, but still I can get the functionality to change the settings and see a preview and other things. So if I'm okay with it, I can also open it in Microsoft Forms, and here I can also do some adjustments, adding. It will also give me some ideas to improve. But let's go back. So actually, if I close this, it gives me some things I can check. So to polish your survey, I can review the launch plan. Maybe I will just fill out some information, because what I can do is later on I can ask through this agent some things. Okay, so I'm now filling it out fast, and I will ask actually to analyze the information. So let's submit this, and this is required. So let's continue. And now if I ask, tell me about the response. So it should, without going to the Microsoft Forms, it should give me some information about the information. So you can see quick snapshot, and I can see here the values. I can find some findings and some recommendations, and it actually says, do you want to export it to Excel? So let's see. Currently I don't want to do that, but I want to show which culture's aspect scores lowest. So I will click on this and it will give me some insights and analyzing. So everything is actually here within the Copilot chat. I don't even need to go to the Microsoft Forms. And as you can see, if it starts thinking, it will start running some Python things. And it says all 5 cultures aspects receive the same rating average. Let's just see what happens if I tell him to export it to Excel. We can also show the correlation between the overall satisfaction and culture rating, or I can summarize the open-end feedback. So let's run this. Then we will run the export to Excel, and you can see that everything here is without going even to the Microsoft Forms. So in this case, let's do also export to Excel, and it should export the information or the response to Excel file, and this saves us lots of time, especially if the user is not aware of it. In fact, it saves the survey in the user's OneDrive. So here is the first response I get. Now I wonder what if I re-enter the information. This time I will also preview and enter the information fast, and hopefully when I enter the information next time or ask to export, I will get an updated answer. So this is required, and we will go on, and let's ask again, export to Excel. Of course, you can go to the Microsoft Forms and click on Open in Excel or Export, but here it's comfortable to do it here. So we can do get statistics about the information. We can analyze, and as you can see here now, we should see 2 responses. It actually maybe refers to the same file, but this is really interesting, and I urge you to, once you see it in your tenant, to review it and test all of the things. Show a summary of the keywords, key trends. We can see this, but this is what we can say. So thank you very much, and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.